Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this dog. I can't help the person I was trying to help because he wants to like characterize this dog, but this would engrave because you could change colors. So I thought I'd show you how to take your smoothing tool and like get rid of some of these rough edges. And when we do that, you see some white appearing from the other parts. So let's go ahead and just do a little bit of smoothing out so it won't be quite so jagged. Now you see we have white on both sides of this. So what we can do now, my nudge factor is set on 3 inches. I'm going to grab that. Well, let me put it back. We don't need 3 inches. Let's go 1 inch. And I'm going to grab that and nudge it out of the way. Now to get rid of that white, we can get the Smart Fill tool, get our eyedropper, and take a sample of that color and fill it back in the hole, and it took up the white. Same thing here. We can get rid of this. Let's take this color, which is quite large, but we can go to the Smart Fill tool, get our eyedropper tool, grab that color and put it back in there. Whoop. We must have a little leak. Let's back up here. Let's see, our white is actually in this color. So let's take that and nudge it over and get the eyedropper or the Smart Fill tool, eyedropper, and put it in that hole, and then they got rid of the white there. Same thing here, we can get rid of this. Grab that color, nudge it over, grab the eyedropper tool or the Smart Fill tool, get the eyedropper, take a sample from that, and then that way you have all the white done. If you did that all the way around and kind of maybe change the colors, maybe like at the dog's ear, and you could fix stuff like this, take the shape tool, and let's see which one we're going to use, and we'll bring this up here. And see, you got rid of that knot in his ear. And then if you were going to engrave this, you could take this area right here and make it a lesser color, and just kind of play around with it till you think, maybe make these spots a little lesser gray, and then like that, make it a little bit darker gray or lesser gray. I actually think this would engrave quite well. We probably need to take away this part of his collar. Well, we can hit those two nodes, and then you're going to see a lot of gray on this. So I'm going to turn this into a line, so that kind of mimics his collar. We can do two things here. We can grab the Smart Fill tool, color eyedropper, get that color, and put it in that hole. Now there's a little bitty piece right there, and what we could do is take the shape tool and just move that down and get rid of that void spot. Anyway, just kind of playing around. Hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.